Hello, everybody. Can you hear me? All right. I'm testing out the HyperCast Solo or HyperX Solo Cast 2 as my new microphone. And on my new laptop, the HP OmniBook X 16-inch new Gen AI laptop, 2 terabytes, 32 gigabyte RAM, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050, 2 terabytes of storage, Intel Core Ultra 7, HP OmniBook X, and if you can hear me, leave a comment saying that you can hear my voice. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Am I good to say that you guys can hear me? Is there any lag in the audio? What I'm gonna do now is test out the Elgato 4KX on Nintendo Switch 2. This had some problems making a green tint hue show up on my Nintendo Switch 2 because it's not HDR compatible, so I had to turn it off. So we're gonna listen to some sounds. If you can hear them, let me know in the comment section down below. And I'm just switching around. I'm gonna play some icon sounds. Let's see if we can hear them. Yep, we can hear it just fine. Well, I can hear it from the TV, but I wonder if you guys can hear it from your laptop or anything. Okay, that's good. I'm watching on OBS Studio with the latest release. Video capture device seems to be capturing the sound just fine. Alright, close the eShop. I will soon get Hyrule Warriors Age of Imprisonment. And when the share Filmora so that I can edit and play more games and make more videos. Okay. Uh let's see. I'm gonna play this game soon when I'm off from work. This game maybe next year when I'm done with the DLC and everything else in between. Hopefully they got Pokemon XD Gale Darkness and Coliseum in Nintendo GameCube, Nintendo Switch Online expansion pack, and Pokemon Home gets an upgrade next year after Pokemon Day. Uh, can keep testing and keep testing. Okay, sounds good. I'm gonna try from a distance. Comment down below if you can hear me from this far on this timestamp. Whatever this timestamp really is. I'm good. I can see from a distance. Looks like I can reach my audio from here. I don't think I need a gaming chair, but I will buy one just in case. And that should do it. So, uh, let me see. What should I try out? I'm gonna try out. Welcome our home. You see this music is playing. Audio seems to be good. At least I hear it from my TV because it's on low volume. Okay. Everything seems to be in working order. Tell me if it's too loud for you guys. If anything is too loud for you. I'm getting tired, so I think I'll end this here. Let me know how the audio works on your end. And comment down below, subscribe, leave a like, share, tell your friends that I'm back in action. I'm gonna post a little video tomorrow, if I can, through YouTube. And when I get paid on Wednesday, I'm gonna get one to share for more. And start making playthrough videos. In case you don't know who I am, I forgot to introduce myself. I am Pokemon Hero Crystal. Crystal with a Kristo. Play Pokemon fan games, Pokemon games, other games on Nintendo Switch 2, and do some graphic novel reviews. I'm gonna make one I just read about a book sooner or later. And that should be it. So thank you all for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning.